Welcome to another informative video about the rules of driving the RV or trailer on a state-by-state camping road trip. If you're traveling between states, make sure you learn the towing laws of both states, as laws can be quite different from one state to another. However, most states have very fluid towing laws and the laws are not enforced too stringently. There are a few general rules pertaining to trailers that carry higher weights that require breakaway switches that automatically engage in case the trailer disengages from the car. Other than that, there aren't many laws absolutely set in stone because most laws are aimed only at truckers who drive large big rigs. Trailer towing laws provides a list of things you should focus on when towing, like if your clearance lights work and if you have proper reflectors. They also explain how RV towing regulations work. The United States Department of Transportation provides excellent tips on towing as well as a list of excellent safety tips for people who are towing. They also have information about measuring weight and other useful guidelines. In the previous video, we discussed the 5 states: Washington, South Dakota, Utah, Maine, Illinois. In this video, we will discuss the rules of driving and towing the RV or trailer of 5 more states. Starting from Montana. All trailers and pole trailers with a gross vehicle weight of 3,000 pounds or greater must be equipped with brakes acting on wheels. All trailers and pole trailers with a GVW of less than 3,000 pounds must be equipped with brakes on all wheels if the total weight of the trailer or trailers does not exceed 40% of the GVW of the towing vehicle. Every trailer and pole trailer equipped with air or vacuum actuated brakes, and every trailer and pole trailer with a GVW in excess of 3,000 pounds must be equipped with brakes acting on all wheels that are designed to be applied automatically and promptly, and remain applied for at least 15 minutes upon breakaway from the towing vehicle. A towing vehicle and all trailers being towed must have one control device that can be used to operate all service brakes. The total length must not exceed 65 feet. The trailer can be a maximum of 45 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you are driving a motor home, the maximum length is 55 feet. The permitted height is 14 feet. Triple towing is allowed but not to exceed maximum combined length of 70 feet. All vehicles over 21 feet, including bumpers, and 8 feet wide, including mirrors, are not permitted through Logan Pass at summit of Going to the Sun Road in Glacier National Park. Shuttle service is available between St. Mary and West Glacier. Restriction from Avalanche Campground on south side to Sun Point area on the north side. A trailer or pole trailer with GVW of 3,000 pounds or less must be equipped with a steel safety chain or cable with a minimum diameter of 1/4 inch must be securely fastened to the towing unit. The safety chain or cable may not be connected to the ball but must be connected to the hitch or other frame member of the towing vehicle to prevent the drawbar from dropping to the ground if the ball, socket, or coupler fails. A motor vehicle must be equipped with a mirror that reflects to the driver a view of the highway for a distance of at least 200 feet to the rear of the motor vehicle. Riding is permitted in fifth wheel and pickup campers only. Overnight parking is as posted in state rest areas. The maximum speed limit is 65 miles per hour. Nebraska. The total length must not exceed 65 feet. The trailer can be a maximum of 40 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you are driving a motor home, the maximum length is 45 feet. The permitted height is 14 feet and 6 inches. Triple towing is allowed if the combined length does not exceed 65 feet. All commercial trailers with a carrying capacity of more than 10,000 pounds shall be equipped on each wheel with brakes that can be operated from the driving position of the towing vehicle. All recreational trailers having a gross loaded weight of 3,000 pounds or more, but less than 6,500 pounds, shall be equipped with brakes on at least 2 wheels. All trailers with a gross loaded weight of 6,500 pounds or more, shall be equipped with brakes on each wheel. The brakes shall be operable from the driving position of the towing vehicle. Such trailers shall also be equipped with a breakaway, surge, or impulse switch on the trailer so that the trailer brakes are activated if the trailer becomes disengaged from the towing vehicle. Any trailer, in use on a highway, shall be equipped with brake and turn signal lights in good working order. Required equipments are safety chain, flares or reflective signs, breakaway switch, and brakes required on trailers over 3,000 pounds. Riding is permitted in fifth wheels, travel trailers and truck campers. Overnight parking in state rest areas is not allowed. No person shall drive a motor vehicle on a highway, when the motor vehicle is so constructed or loaded as to prevent the driver from obtaining a view of the highway to the rear, unless such vehicle is equipped with a right side and a left side outside mirror, so located as to reflect to the driver a view of the highway for a distance of at least 200 feet to the rear. No person shall operate any motor vehicle when towing a mobile home at a rate of speed in excess of 50 miles per hour. Oklahoma. Every trailer, semi-trailer, and pole trailer with a GVWR of 3,000 pounds or more shall be equipped with independent braking system adequate to control the movement of and to stop such a vehicle. The total length must not exceed 65 feet. The trailer can be a maximum of 40 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you are driving a motor home, the maximum length is 45 feet. The permitted height is 13 feet and 6 inches. Triple towing is allowed if it does not exceed 65 feet combined length. Every trailer, semi-trailer, unless drawn by a truck tractor, or manufactured home shall be equipped with chains or cables to prevent parting from the towing vehicle in the event that the coupling device breaks or becomes disengaged, or chains, cables, or a safety device that provides strength, security of attachment, and directional stability equal to, or greater than that provided by safety chains that prevent the parting from the towing vehicle. Every trailer, semi-trailer, or manufactured home shall be equipped with a coupling device designed and constructed so that the trailer will follow in substantially the same path as the vehicle towing it without whipping or swerving from side to side. Every motor vehicle towing another vehicle must be equipped with a mirror so located as to reflect to the driver a view of the roadway for at least 200 feet to the rear. Riding is permitted in pickup truck camper only. Overnight parking is permitted in state rest areas. The maximum speed limit is 70 miles per hour. Vermont. The total length must not exceed 68 feet. The trailer can be a maximum of 46 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you are driving a motor home, the maximum length is 46 feet. The permitted height is 13 feet and 6 inches. Trailers, semi-trailers, trailer coaches, or pole trailers of a gross weight not exceeding 3,000 pounds, need not have brakes provided the total weight on, and including the wheels of the trailer, semi-trailer, or pole trailer, shall not exceed 40% of the gross weight of the towing vehicle when connected to the trailer, semi-trailer, or pole trailer. Every trailer, semi-trailer, or trailer coach of a gross weight of more than 3,000 pounds, but less than 6,000 pounds, when operated upon a highway shall be equipped with brakes on the wheels of at least one axle, adequate to control the movement of and to stop and to hold the vehicle, and so designed as to be applied by the driver of the towing motor vehicle from its cab. The brakes shall be so designed and connected that, in case of an accidental breakaway of the towed vehicle, the brakes shall be automatically applied and remain applied for not less than 15 minutes. Every vehicle, trailer, semi-trailer, pole trailer, or any other vehicle being drawn at the end of a combination of vehicles shall be equipped with at least 2 tail lamps on the rear, unless the vehicle is only equipped with one. In addition to a hitch, trailer coaches must be secured to the towing vehicle, while in operation on any highway, by a safety chain. The hitch on any motor vehicle towing a trailer coach and the corresponding coupling on the coach and safety chain must be adequate to ensure the public safety. Other required equipments are fire extinguisher in RV, and flares or reflective signs. Triple towing is not allowed. Passengers may ride in truck camper only. Overnight parking in state rest areas is not permitted. The maximum speed limit is 65 miles per hour. Louisiana. The total length must not exceed 70 feet. The trailer can be a maximum of 40 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you are driving a motor home, the maximum length is 45 feet. The permitted height is 14 feet. Triple towing is allowed if the maximum length does not exceed 70 feet. A trailer or semi-trailer that weighs at least 3,000 pounds must be equipped with brakes adequate to control the movement of and to stop and to hold the towing vehicle and trailer or semi-trailer. These brakes must be designed so that the driver of the towing motor vehicle can apply the brakes from the towing vehicle itself, and adequately stop both the towing vehicle and the trailer or semi-trailer. Every trailer or semi-trailer between 3,001 and 5,000 pounds only requires brakes on one axle. Safety chain is required on trailers over 6,000 pounds, breakaway switch required on trailers over 3,000 pounds. Flares or reflective signs are also required. Trailers and semi-trailers of 80 inches or more in width must be equipped with 2 front clearance lamps on each side, 2 rear clearance lamps on each side, and 2 side marker lamps and 2 reflectors, one of each on the front and on the rear. Trailers and semi-trailers of 30 feet or more in length must have one amber side marker lamp and one amber reflector, centrally located on each side. Every trailer and semi-trailer must be equipped with at least one red light mounted on the rear that emits a light for at least 1,000 feet. The connection between two vehicles when one is towing the other must be of sufficient strength to pull all weight towed. The connection must not exceed 15 feet. When the connection between a vehicle and a towed vehicle is a chain, rope, or cable, a red flag or cloth at least 1 foot square must be displayed on the connection between sunrise and sunset, and a red light visible for a distance of at least 500 feet must be visible on the connection between sunset and sunrise. Passengers are permitted to ride in pickup campers only. Overnight parking is, as posted, in state rest areas. The maximum speed limit is 75 miles per hour. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.